SIBIONO corn heat pump dryer. Drying chamber dimensions: 5,500 mm long, 3,000 mm wide, 1,500 mm high. Capable of batch drying 4,000 to 5,000 kg of corn. This machine features a 25 horsepower heat pump for heat supply. The heat pump is equipped with 2 4 kW fans. Powerful airflow blows hot air from bottom to top, thereby providing optimal temperature to the corn while removing moisture. The corn undergoes gentle dehydration at 35–45 C, preserving the natural flavor of corn, ensuring optimal storage conditions, and maintaining germination capacity for planting. Welcome to learn more about SIBIONO grain corn drying machine.